Welcome back to your favorite cooking channel, Ding Ding Kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share a delicious recipe that 99% of you will love, my chicken and broccoli stir fry with cauliflower. Let's get started. Start by splitting the chicken breast into two. Cut into thin slices just like this. To marinate the chicken, add chicken bouillon, oyster sauce, water, cornstarch, and a little black pepper. Mix it up, then add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Mix well. Now we can mince the garlic, cut the ginger, and thinly slice the carrots. For the broccoli and cauliflower, try to cut each piece into the same size so it all cooks evenly. Soak into water with a little bit of salt for 10 minutes, then wash thoroughly. Now we can prepare the sauce. Water, sugar, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, cornstarch, and dark soy sauce. If you're a fan of stir fry, you should also check out my beef and broccoli stir fry with black bean sauce. I promise you'll love it. In a pot with boiling water, add a little oil and salt. Then blanch the broccoli. Maintain the high heat and blanch for about 3 minutes. Repeat the same thing for the cauliflower. Now we can start cooking. In a pan on medium-high heat, add oil and stir-fry the ginger. Add the chicken, but don't move it right away. We want a nice sear on it first. Flip once there's enough color. Now add the carrots, add the garlic, and add some oil if needed. Stir fry until aromatic, then add the cauliflower and broccoli. Add a splash of cooking wine.
Wow, 咁有型嘅!
Then add the sauce. Finish off with a dash of sesame oil, and that's it! If you enjoyed today's video, click here to check out another recipe. Or if you didn't enjoy the video, maybe try this one here, please.